Hi birdies, it's Teacher Patty, and today I went on a nature walk and I wanted to show you some of the things that I found today on my nature walk. I found leaves and twigs and pine cones and I don't know what these are, but they're very pretty. And bark, more bark. And I just thought that it would be so much fun to put them in a collage and it's just nice to touch these nature finds and see all the beautiful things there is to find on a nature walk. All right, birdies. This will probably use on a drum. Boom, ba boom, ba boom, ba boom, ba boom, boom, boom. All right, birdies. Don't forget to go out and on a little nature walk and find some treasures, okay? Teacher Patty loves you.